Hello all and welcome to Triraj Solution. In today's session, we'll be seeing the other module, which is device-based threats and security controls. And the topics where we are going to see is the devices and how are the threats being caused to the devices. So let's see the other module, device-based threats and security controls. So let's see what are devices. Devices are an important part of everyday life and we depend on them for so many things. To do their job efficiently, devices need to capture, store, and share all kinds of sensitive information about us. For example, phone, laptop, and tablets, USB drivers, any device connected to your home network, including always on home assistant devices, printers, TV, appliance, door cameras, printers, and more. Car dashboards, including the navigation system and voice control, Wi Fi hotspot. Whether you use the device for your work or personal business, or both, the accessible information is often sensitive and private. Cyber criminal know this and try to compromise devices as a mean to access data. Let's see how devices become cybersecurity threats. So while devices help us to get our work done and go about our daily lives, they also present opportunities to cyber criminals who want to cause harm. So let's see different types of threat vectors which occurs on devices. So as we have seen the example as phone, laptop or tablets. So in this, while downloading a malicious app might result in the device being contaminated with malware that can exfiltrate sensitive data which is stored locally without the user's knowledge. So this compromises confidentiality and integrity because the cyber criminal can now view or modify the data. Let's see how USB drives come into cyber criminal. So this attack can put malicious software or files on a USB drive and insert it into a device like laptop. Example, when you run a ransomware, meaning the availability of the data has been compromised because it's logged in return for a ransom. Next, let's see always on home assistant devices. These devices are always listening or watching. Example, a cyber criminal can put malicious software on the app stores for these devices. If a user then install it, the cyber criminal could attack the device with spyware or secretly record information and compromise data confidentiality. They could also move laterally to other home devices and compromise their data. Let's see device vulnerabilities. A device can become compromised because of poor health, either because it does not have the latest security updates or it has weak authentication. Example, if you connect this type of device to a Wi-Fi hotspot in an airport, an easy target for attackers. They know the common vulnerabilities of devices and applications and how to gain unauthorized access. After an attacker gains access, they can run scripts to install malware. In most cases, malware like backdoors or botnets can persist on the device even after it's updated. This causes further damage when a user connects the infected device to a work or home network. Thank you all.